Hello, I'm out here today because I'm going to try a new style of bow drill that I got in the June 2020 Apocabox. This one here is a little different than what I'm used to, and it has a shorter bow. I like a longer one. That way there I get more turns on each stroke. I like that. It means I have to work less. So this one here is in this kit. Very cool little kit. I'm gonna bust it out. Got myself a little piece of birch bark here just to catch the ember, and let's see if we can get an ember with this kit. These are very humid, wet conditions right now. It's been misting and such all morning. Not sure what it did over the night, but everything is soaked out here. That's why I was able to grab a piece of birch bark that was dry because of the interior of the birch bark. So this is the kit right here, and like I said, they have a piece of paracord in there as well, but that's your bow. Your bow length basically is this far. So you're going to have to move and do more strokes faster to get your ember. This here is your spindle, which I've got to round the end, of course. And they have this made pre-drilled divots here, plus your notch is made. You've got to carve in a little bit to the close to the middle of the notch as well. So there's a little bit of work here, and then put your line through this hole, wind it up, you're good to go. They also give you a bearing block with 2 bearings right there. I've got one inside this already. And your spindle, trying to juggle too many things, I've just dropped that on the ground. So I picked that up off the ground. There you go, there's the bearing, there's the bearing block. I've got the MAM folding knife that was sent in the box as well. And I'm going to carve this in, and I'll use this divot right here. So what my plan is to carve this in more towards the center of this drilled divot. You can see right there, it's almost to the center. Should be pretty much good. And what I usually do is I like to take this off a little bit underneath here. So I'm just gonna kind of just do this to it on both sides. Always use knife safety. That there allows a little bit more airflow. And a little bit more. I like that. So now that's ready. All I have to do is take my spindle, and round this off so it fits in that divot nice. It's actually a hard spindle. Kind of surprised. Just going to try that right there, see if we can get it burn in, and then we've got to keep going until we fill this notch. Once we fill that notch, then you can really go for that ember. So I'm going to set it down there and let's see if we can get that ember. So first off, let's string this up. And I had to do it a couple times so I wasn't quite sure it would fetch up and stuff. I think I've got it now. It looks easy, but so I'm going to put it through this hole first, right here. And then I'm going to take the other end and put it down through. Like this. Now, I'm just going to start wrapping this. Like that. Now that should be it. Now, I'm just going to wrap this around. And I'm going to tie this right down here just to hold it into place like that. There. And now that should work. Let's give it a try. Oh my God. Look at that. I got an ember. I've got it all set up. And I forgot to hit record. Oh, I can't believe that. Oh. Well, there you go. That's the that's the spindle. I basically burnt all the way through, but I got a nice big ember. Let's blow it into flame. Goodness. After I blow this into flame, I'll do another one. I've got that big fat ember there. Gonna pour that into the bundle. And like I said, I'll do another one just to show you, but can't believe that happened. There you go, we've got fire. Only used half of that tinder bundle as well. And if I wanted to, I could dry this out now and reuse it. But let's do this again. I'll tell you, it does take more work using this one because of the short bow. Let's give it another try. Man, I can't believe that. I'm talking all the way through it and everything, and it's like, what? Didn't hit record. Okay, we're going to give it another try. Okay, let's do another ember. I like this bearing block, so trying to fill up that notch. Nice black smoke, or dust I mean. It's already filled. More pressure. Oh, wrong side. Ah, there we go. More speed, more pressure. Ah. Let's see what we got. Let's say we got her. There we go. Fast and effective. And I did turn it on this time. So there you go. 2 embers in these damp conditions. I'm basically propped up on rocks because it's so wet right here, right beside the stream. And they were really big embers as well. Works well. I did have to move a lot quicker with this one, where a longer bow I don't have to, but look how quick I actually got the ember. So very nice kit. You can put it in a backpack. you can, I carried it in a haversack. So, I want to thank you for watching. Take care and all the best.